Hello everyone! Today I will be drawing a dragon idea from this comment. With these emojis, I will draw a cat bread. And I have a proposal for you. I have my own Telegram channel. As soon as I draw a new dragon idea, I will publish it there. If you want to be featured in my next video, please send me a photo of the dragon you made from my idea. And I will add the best works to my next video. And as you may have noticed, I added the dragons of subscribers at the beginning of the video, based on the previous idea, the one I was drawing. And if you want your dragon to appear in my video based on my idea, subscribe to my Telegram channel. By the way, I chat with you there and answer some questions. Be sure to subscribe with your dragons and write your nickname. And don't forget to leave emojis in the comments under the video so that I can draw the next dragon based on them. And I continue to draw the cat bread. I have already shaped the cat's jaw, and now I'm drawing the eyes. Now let's draw a little nose. I'll draw an imitation of fur. And now I'll draw some ears. I'll draw a fringe. And now I'll draw eyebrows and whiskers. And now I'll draw a slice of bread for the cat as an accessory. I'll also add a little sun. Our kitty is ready. Now let's start coloring it. And here's a cat bread I made using emojis. Write your emojis in the comments and I'll draw the next dragon idea based on them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram. Good luck to everyone.